Hello, this is a drum filter, 25 km for 1 hour, 25,000 liter, and biofilter. This now everything ready, and we send for customer from US. This for bacterials from biofilter. Now we check control box for 110 volts. Now we use this 110 volts. Now connect. Yes, and this plug control box open, have light. This means he work. You see, open. Here work. This manual open, and but usually he must stay middle. This must work automatical mode. Now I show how it work. When water up, he touch sensor, and all system open. System open for around 20 seconds, but you can regulate regulation this. You do smaller or bigger. Maximum 30 seconds and minimum around 5. Yes. Now again. You see, work. Everything work. Everything okay. Biofilter, drum filter ready. Yeah, for US. Tomorrow sent to United States, America. Okay, thank you.